Hello, happy Tuesday the 20th. I got my Ipsy box a couple of weeks ago, but I haven't had a chance to open it, so we're going to open it together. Hi everyone, I'm Erica from Life with Erica. I hope if you are new here that you decide to stay. We'd appreciate it. You don't have to if you don't like it. I'm not for everyone. And everyone else, I am sorry. I am trying to get back into the swing of things. I'm trying to get homeschool started. I'm trying to get the house organized. I'm trying to get used to my new medications. If y'all want a life update, let me know. I kind of understand if you don't, because there's been a lot. But my doctor did some testing. I have extreme general anxiety disorder, so medicines and everything else is just doing its thing. So we're gonna open my Ipsy box right here. I literally just have, this is all I'm seeing. I opened it, looked at the top, and went ahead and alright, I do believe this month my box costs $32.99 a month, and it gets taken out on the last day of the month from my PayPal. I did choose, I believe, everything in here. I really need to try not to choose, because I would like to see what I get if I don't. But sometimes there's just stuff on there that I'm like, ooh, I would love that. The first thing in here I thought I already had, so I was like, oh man. But no, I didn't already have this. This is an Iconic London palette. And I believe, I'm trying to see where it says treat yourself. So it is different. I don't know if I have the other one. But it is a, like, I don't know. It looks a little pastel-y. I'm not going to swatch it or nothing, because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to stick it in a giveaway or send it to family. But I do like it. It's got a great little weight, and I love their shadows the last time, but I have so much lately and I don't use it a whole lot. As you can see, I'm barefaced right now. My life has lately just not been revolving around makeup a whole lot, mostly because I'm also going through it. So alright, the next thing in here is a Il Makiage Mineral Baked Highlighter. It is in the shade Halo. I haven't opened this, but it looks like it's been scratched up a little bit. I have a lot of highlighters. Okay, it's just the texture. I'm not going to touch it just in case, because I do have a lot of highlighters, and it's a very beautiful shade, so I don't really want to touch it. Ooh-wee. Where's an old okay, an old, there it is. Oh, my nose has been so off the beat. Oh. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh my god. Alright. The fourth item. Third item? Third item is a Lunar Beauty blush. I saw that these were offered and they had just came out. I believe he just came out with these not long ago. So I really wanted to try it. I'm hoping the shade doesn't look as out there as it looked online. If it does, oh well, I'll just try it anyways. It's a very, very dark fuchsia type color, isn't it? Let's see how it's got a doe foot applicator. And it is very, very pink. Let's take a new beauty blender, if I could get to it. You know what, actually, let's see if we could just blend it out with our finger and get it to not be so pink. That is a very, very Barbie pink. So one dot can be blended Ooh. That's without makeup on. Let's grab this. I have to wash my brushes anyways. There we go. This is like a foundation brush. So this can be the color you want it to be. It takes a little bit of blending and a little bit of be safe. So it's not bad. It's got a powdery smell to it. Okay. I do like that. It's called Moon Prism Liquid Blush, and it's in the shade Fuego Fuchsia. So that's what I meant, like a really, really pink color. Okay, put this over here so I remember. Next thing is Farrah Gel Eyeliner Duo in Absolute Black and Burnt Purple. At least there's two colors, right? It's in this box. And these are the colors. And I don't need eyeliners, so I literally got these to put in a giveaway because I have a lot of eyeliners that are just fine. Alright. Last but not least is Ideal Intense Eye Cream by Femme. I have a lot of eye cream, so once again I got this to go in a giveaway box, either for Christmas or the one coming up. I do need to get that done. Here's the component. I'm not opening the bottom because I don't know if it's sealed and I don't want to open it. It says it's specifically formulated to reduce fine lines and dark circles and discoloration around the eyes. It says a sumptuous velvety eye cream perfectly blended to deliver revitalizing and moisturizing delicate eye area, powered by camellia flower water and camellia seed oil to strengthen a moisture barrier while softening the appearance of lines and wrinkles for a smoother skin with a luminous glow. Using fingers, dab the cream under each eye along the orbital bone, morning and night after serum. Oh, that blush looks really, really like a blush from within almost. You can see the difference with no makeup. It almost makes it, I like that. That's a really good blush. I might have to go on his website and get more. Here I am not wearing much makeup and talking about getting more makeup. Alright, so it was a really big box for such little amount of stuff. I do have a giveaway coming up. I just have to get the time to do it. Oh my gosh, I can't take my eyes off that. That is so pretty. Kind of make them even. But yes, I'm actually gonna probably go ahead and stick all four of these in a box. I may use it to start the Christmas giveaway box since I need to start on that. And now that eye cream, just a heads up, I don't know what it's like, but I know this isn't the video. If y'all want me to talk about some of the stuff I've been getting on Amazon lately, let me know. But I got these patches here. I can't remember. Is this the one I used? I think this is the caffeine patch. And it's a box of multiples. There's the gold ones and the caffeine ones. Did I use the gold one or did I don't know. You know what? Either way, it doesn't say how long to leave it on the one I tried. It's got a manufacturing date and an expiration date. But when I put it on and I took it off and I put my makeup on underneath, my eyes looked really good under my eyes. So they're called You Girl. Approved ingredients, caffeine, and they're organic, with organic ingredients. And it comes in a big old box of 40. But if I remember, I'll try to put a link below. But I do really, really, really like these. I have used the one time. I'm not gonna lie, I've used it one time. Oh, and the Boxycharm for this month is the Beauty Olympics. I should have said that earlier. They've really changed this, haven't they? Like I got this is blush, but I got, oh, this is September's choice lineup. So they don't tell you nothing about what you have in this month. Yeah, because I didn't have none of this stuff. Okay, well, all right. I'm gonna try to get back into this. I know my next video, I'm gonna try to finally play with this Natasha Denona Golden palette. I'm not gonna do that one today though. I am gonna try to get this up. So let me let you go, and I will get the link to this and put it down below. Also, because I did like it, and I want to say it's not that much. So, anyways, yeah. Let me know if y'all want a life update, because there's a lot of things we could talk about that I've been doing. So, love y'all. I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday and the rest of your week. Hopefully I get back up here this week. Depends on medicines and stuff. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.